Confidence isn't built by reading books. It's built by doing shit that makes you want to puke. You keep waiting to feel confident before you act. Wrong order. Confidence doesn't come first, action does. And not perfect action. Just movement. You think confident people were born that way? Hell no. They just failed publicly, got rejected, looked stupid, and kept showing up anyway. You avoid risk because you're scared of looking dumb. Guess what? You already do. Everyone who plays it safe does. You're just hiding it better. Here's the part that stings. Confidence is earned. It's built through broken voices, trembling hands, and awkward moments. It's built when you do the hard thing, without applause. The reason you don't trust yourself? Because you keep breaking promises to yourself. You say you'll wake up early. You don't. You say you'll speak up. You stay quiet. Your brain remembers that. Confidence isn't loud. It's quiet self-respect. It's walking into a room knowing, I've done the work. I back myself. You don't need to be fearless. You need to move with the fear. Every time you act despite it, your confidence meter goes up. So stop searching for confidence. Start building it. One uncomfortable moment at a time. You want it? Go earn it.